sailors on Her Majesty's ship Black Prince firing cannon and rifles. Produced in the year 1900 by British Mutoscope Biograph with unidentified director. It presents scenes of British Royal Navy cadets undergoing maneuverability training aboard the training ship Black Prince, a veteran warship refurbished as a training vessel for military college students. The only restored copy of this film is held exclusively by the British Film Institute and is shown freely only in Great Britain through its player. Free showing to all other countries on Earth is prohibited by the BFI.